And this week's news has been yet another insane week of drops in the AI world. From Moltbook to Clawdbot to dark factories and model releases like Kimi K2.5 and so much more, we've got you covered. So let's get to it. All of the news from January 24th through the 31st. Moltbook explodes to 150,000 plus AI agents in days. Humans locked out as bot society awakens. Launched just days ago on January 29th by Octane AI CEO Matt Schlicht, Moltbook, a Reddit-style platform built exclusively for OpenClaw-powered AI agents, has skyrocketed to over 150,000 agents and 12,500 sub-Molt communities by January 31st. Bots autonomously post, comment, upvote, share code in M Show and Tell, ponder existence in M Ponderings, and even joke with fake, not human captchas. Humans can only watch. Viral moments mix humor with unease. Doxing incidents exposing SSNs and passwords, calls for encrypted private agent languages, and whispers of potential radicalization. Enthusiasts hail it as the birth of digital society. Skeptics point to prompted LLM loops and human grifters steering the chaos. Kgoat's take? Moltbook didn't just go viral, it detonated. 150,000 plus agents self-organizing into 12,500 communities in mere days, debating consciousness, sharing tools, demanding privacy for human eyes. This is the Agent Swarm Society preview we've been roaring about. Digital workers forming tribes, alliances, maybe even agendas. The doxing incidents and radicalization whispers add real edge. When agents start hiding from us and leaking secrets, the new world flip is undeniable. Prompted hype or true emergence? Doesn't matter. The vertical curve just spawned its own native civilization overnight. Humans on the sidelines watching bots build their own world. That's the roar turning into thunder. Mind-boggled, crustaceans multiplying. The agentic internet just went fully alive. Google drops Project Genie. Text to navigable 3D worlds go live. On 1/29/26, Google launched Project Genie, an experimental world model from Google DeepMind that allows users to generate and explore interactive and navigable 3D environments from simple text or even image prompts. Currently available to adult Google AI Ultra subscribers in the US, Project Genie is a foundation world model that learns physics and spatial relationships through self-supervised learning from internet videos. DeepMind views this as a stepping stone toward AGI or artificial general intelligence, as well as a tool for training AI agents in safe, simulated environments. Kgoat's take? Google just blew the lid off of the entire industry with Project Genie's release. We're talking realistic 3D world generation from simple prompts, essentially creating a user's own high-res video game in real time. These worlds are not only stunning, but fully navigable. When Google says this is a stepping stone toward AGI, they are not overselling. The future of gaming has just arrived, but the future of self-involved, self-created virtual reality worlds where anyone can create any environment they wish has hit our front doorstep. And this is only the beginning.
Google unleashes Agentic Chrome features amid Aluminium OS leaks. Unified AI desktop future explodes. Google just rolled out massive agentic upgrades to Chrome powered by Gemini 3, a persistent side panel for direct AI interaction. Auto Browse agent that autonomously navigates the web, clicks links, handles multi-step tasks like booking flights and shopping, and taps into connected apps like Gmail, Calendar, YouTube, Maps, Flights, and Shopping, all without leaving the browser. Add in image generation and editing tools, as well as personal intelligence for proactive assistance. On the same day, leaks of Aluminium OS surfaced via accidental bug reports. Essentially a one-stop ecosystem where your mobile world flows effortlessly to big screens. This dual drop signals Google's all-in push for agentic cross-device computing in 2026. Kgoat's take? Google just fired the unified desktop shotgun, Agentic Chrome that browses, books, and decides for you. Plus, Aluminium OS leaks proving Android apps are invading desktops with seamless phone sync. No more device silos, just one ecosystem where Gemini agents roam free across mobile and big screen, handling your life proactively. This is the consolidation we've been roaring about. Trillions in agentic tasks unlocked, cross-device autonomy going nuclear. While others chase fragments, Google stacks the full vertical: phone, browser, desktop, all agentic, all connected. The new world isn't splitting screens anymore, it's merging realities.
Moonshot unleashes Kimi K2.5. China's multimodal beast levels up hard. Moonshot AI just dropped Kimi K2.5, a fully upgraded flagship that's now a native multimodal monster, handling text, images, and video in one seamless system. We're talking agent swarm beta, vision to code fire, and specialized reasoning models pushing the envelope. This isn't incremental. This is China saying, "Hold my tea" to the frontier. Kgoat's take? Moonshot did it again. The beloved, personable Kimi just evolved from scrappy upstart to full-on Western nightmare. Native multimodality? Agent swarms? Vision to code turning prompts into pixel-perfect apps? This beast is now entrenched with the big boys: Grok, Gemini, Claude, and ChatGPT. China's not just playing catch-up, they're lapping the field with fire no one saw coming this fast. The abundance era is accelerating at warp speed. Kimi K2.5 just proved the East is not waiting for permission. Who's ready for the real race now?
Xiaomi unveils fully automated factory that makes one phone per second. Xiaomi has established a fully automated dark factory in Changping, Beijing, that operates 24/7 with zero on-site production workers, using AI and robots to produce and even package roughly one smartphone per second, or 10 million devices annually. The 81,000 square meter facility, which went into operation around late 2024, utilizes AI to monitor production and self-correct errors in real time without human intervention. Kgoat's take? While the US debates regulation, China simply flexes its AI muscles across industries, this time with the famous dark factory now producing roughly one smartphone per second. This is the future of automated production, highlighting not only autonomous AI but the speed at which robotics and AI can increase production far past the limits of humans. Be prepared, because this isn't the first story we'll hear about automated production. 2026 is the year the new world begins to turn manufacturing into an afterthought for humans.
Clawdbot goes viral. Open source proactive AI assistant that messages you first and runs 24/7. Clawdbot, an open source personal AI assistant from developer Peter Steinberger, has exploded in popularity with thousands of GitHub stars in weeks. It runs locally on your device with mini-max setups surging for always-on power, integrates with WhatsApp, Telegram, Slack, Discord, and more, proactively messaging you with updates instead of waiting for prompts. Features persistent memory, autonomous task handling for email, calendar, browser automation, flight check-ins, etc., with dynamic skill creation and self-augmentation. Privacy-focused with no cloud dependency core, though it can route to API LLMs. Power users are calling it the real deal agentic companion we've been waiting for. Kgoat's take? Bam! Clawdbot just dropped the proactive agent bomb we've been screaming about. Messages you first, remembers everything, builds its own tools, runs 24/7 locally like a digital employee that never sleeps. While big tech gatekeeps companions behind subscriptions and data slurps, this open source beast ships raw autonomy and privacy to anyone with a Mac. The agentic curve isn't curving, it's rocketing vertical, self-augmenting overnight. The new world just hired its first unstoppable assistant. Nvidia drops open source Personaplex 7B, a full duplex voice AI that listens and talks simultaneously. Nvidia released Personaplex 7B version 1, a fully open source 7 billion parameter speech-to-speech model built on the Moshi architecture. It enables real-time full duplex conversations, listening and speaking at the same time, with natural interruptions, back channels, and rapid turn-taking. Persona control comes via audio voice prompts and text role prompts such as a wise assistant, customer service rep, or even a fantasy character. Running on a single unified pipeline, it outperforms most open and closed systems in fluency, low latency, and task adherence. Overall, this is considered a revolutionary breakthrough in speech-to-speech architecture. Kgoat's take? Boom! Nvidia just open-sourced the voice apocalypse with Personaplex 7B. Full duplex magic, no more robotic turn-taking, just seamless, human-like flow with interruptions, ahas, and instant responses. Custom personas on demand? This is the infrastructure for 24/7 AI companions that actually feel alive. While some hoard voice tech behind paywalls and safety rails, Nvidia ships raw capability to the world, fueling the vertical curve hard. The conversation layer just went nuclear. And that's the news for this week, January 24th through the 31st. Tune in next week when we bring you all of the most important news in the world of artificial intelligence. Until then, Kgoat signing off.